Greetings. In this video, we are going to look at a tool, an AI tool called Gamma that can help you generate presentation slides quickly. So the first thing you do is you go to your browser and then you type in gamma.app and press enter. So after it finishes loading the web page as it is here, of course you come here and then you click to sign up for free. So you have the option here of either email or continue with Google. I'm going to continue with Google because it makes it faster. If you already have an account, you click here to sign in. So I'm going to click here to continue with Google. And then you select the most appropriate one, Google account that you want to continue with. Click here to continue. Okay, then after you proceed here to name your workspace, and they bring you a notice here that Gamma works based on Google Chrome. So if you, I would suggest you use your Google Chrome browser when working with Gamma. Then click here to create workspace, and then you tell it here what you're going to use it for, the kind of work you do, then how did you hear about the tool, and click to get started. So we have three options here. You can paste in notes or an outline of existing content to help you generate your presentation, or you can prompt it basically with a title or something. Then you can also import a file. So I'll go with this middle option here for prompt, and then you put here the kind of presentation that you want. It's very important that you are very good with your prompting. Be as particular with what exactly the presentation you want it to generate. Okay, so I'll put here keynote presentation on digital marketing to industry experts. Again, it's very important as you are putting in your prompt, you're very particular with who the presentation is going to be presented so that it can be tailored for that kind of audience. And it will begin generating the outline. As you can see here, it brings you the outline of how the presentation slides are going to be. And you can choose to delete any right here, or you can even begin by adding. Okay, so if you want to add, then as you prompt it there, then it will be able to generate it there. So I'll put here, for example, different social media platforms. Then again here under more settings, amount of text per card. Okay, as a tip, I always encourage, you don't want your presentation slides to be very text heavy. You want it to have a good mix of a visual and text. So I think medium is fine. Image source, AI, or even web image search, you can choose which one. So you can select and then it will pick from the web free images for use, or you can pick it, leave it here in AI images. Okay, image license. So use again the images that you want to use, the most relevant images, even if licensing is unknown. So I think this can leave it here, and then you click on continue. So right here is where you pick a theme for your presentation slides, and there are different categories here. If it's going to be, you want a more professional outlook to your presentation, again you can select what suits you. I think I'll go with this, and it gives you a preview of the theme here. Okay, and then you click to generate, and so that can begin generating our presentation. Please don't close the tab or anything as it's generating, because it will distort the process. So you give it a few minutes to generate. As you can see, it's coming up with very good accompanying text and visuals to make your presentation really look apt and visually appealing with very good content. As you can see, it's getting for you very good visuals, charts that have really helped to enhance your presentation. So it tells you it's finished and it's now ready. And if you see through all the different slides, you can see that it has generated for you something really beautiful. Again, if you remember previously, I added a card manually of different social media platforms, and you can see it generated content for it as well. So you can go through your different slides to see what it has generated, and you can also edit anything to your preference. You can click on the text, add something if you like. Even the images can be replaced at any one point. On the right here, there are different again, you can add in images, videos and media, embed pages, charts and diagrams to make your presentation more visually appealing. If you want to present here within, you can click here to present, and it will go in presentation mode, make it better for you there. You're done. You can press escape to exit presentation mode, and if you want to download this as either PowerPoint or a PDF, you come and click here on export. First click on these three dotted lines, then click here on export, and then you export your document. For example, I'll select here PowerPoint, and also in addition, if you want to embed this on your website, click here on embed. You can take this code and take it to your website. But for now, we want to export, so I'll click here and export to PowerPoint, and then it will begin the process. Right, so it's right here. If I click on it, click to open it, and here is our presentation. Yes, so you can further edit it from also PowerPoint here if you want to add in any more visuals or any more slides. This is how you can do it, but in a nutshell, that is how you can use Gamma to create your presentation in minutes. Thank you.